What's up, everybody? My name is Alex, and I'm the COO and co-founder here at Wolverine. Today, I'm going to chat with you a little bit about the 5 essential functions of protein and why you should consider focusing on getting more protein in your diet to support both your aesthetics and your overall health. So, protein is the building blocks of life. It serves a multitude of essential functions in the human body. From supporting growth and repair to maintaining a healthy immune system, protein plays a crucial role in our overall well-being. While you might know what dietary protein does, as far as building muscle and that you have to have it, we're going to get a little bit deeper into the essential function of protein in the human body and why you need to get it maybe a little bit more than you already do. Protein, that is. So, number one, let's start with muscle growth and repair. Most people know, like I just said, that you should probably eat some protein to support muscle growth and repair. Protein is vital for muscle growth and repairing that tissue from micro tears and micro breakdowns during physical activities such as exercise or strength training. In that stress and micro tear, protein fills in those gaps to help repair these tears and promote both recovery and muscle growth. This allows us to become stronger and more resilient. Furthermore, one of the most essential functions of protein, though, is to not just support your rock and six pack, but to support and protect your skeletal system from injury, whether that's from an external stimulus or from, weights, or just breaking down in general from activity and movement. Number two, enzyme production. Proteins are responsible for just about every single task of cellular life in the human body. One of the most essential functions of protein is to support the function, development, and breakdown of enzymes. Enzymes are proteins that facilitate chemical reactions in the body. They act as catalysts, speeding up the rate of these reactions like metabolism or chemical reactions. Without enzymes, essential processes like digestion, metabolism, and DNA replication would occur at a very slow pace. This would hinder overall bodily functions. Enzymes facilitated by protein also help to break down food molecules, such as carbs and protein and fats, in order to assist in digestion and absorption of these nutrients. Without enzymes or proteins, food is passed through the GI quickly and very quickly excreted through your poop. Number three, hormone regulation. Proteins also play a crucial role in hormone regulation in the body. Hormones act as our messengers in the body, controlling various psychological processes. Physiological processes. Proteins such as insulin and growth hormone regulate blood sugar levels. They promote growth and maintain a stable internal environment in that body. The pituitary gland is heavily dependent on protein to support the secretion of FASH, LH, and TSH hormones. These hormones are essential to be sent within the body to release sex hormones such as testosterone, progesterone, and estrogen, which play a very, very important role, as you may know, in sex drive, reproduction, body fat storage, muscle building ability, mood state, and so much more. So very, very important to have your proteins to support overall hormone production. Number four, immune system support. Our immune system relies heavily on proteins to defend against harmful pathogens like infection, disease, and germs. Antibodies, a type of protein, recognize and neutralize foreign invaders such as bacteria and viruses. What you may not know, though, is that the immune system is actually dispersed through the entire body to protect against infection, and protein plays a crucial role in helping support this body-wide system. So proteins may be in the lymph nodes, they may be in the spleen, they might be in the liver, they might be just floating around in the bloodstream. It is a body-wide system, and without proteins, we're not able to do a very good job with that. So, additionally, proteins called cytokines help regulate the immune responses, ensuring a balanced, effective defense system. Without this defense system or quality protein to support it, we can fall victim to immunodeficiency diseases, poor immune responses, and over really long-term exposure, detrimental effects to our health that can cause both chronic and really debilitating disease states or even cancer. Definitely don't want that, so hit your protein, right? Number five, our final one here, transport and storage. Proteins are involved in the transport and storage of essential molecules all throughout the body. It's a pretty amazing system. And for example, hemoglobin, a protein found in red blood cells, transports oxygen from the lungs to the tissues all throughout the body. Similarly, proteins in our cells store and release important molecules like iron and calcium, ensuring their availability when needed or called upon in the body. So, common question, can you get too much protein? I get asked this a lot as a nutrition coach. So in short, the answer is yes, you can get too much protein. That being said, too much of anything in the body in excess can be detrimental to our health or just provide things like constipation or uncomfortable irritability. This does include too much protein. So whether you're looking to lose a few inches, optimize body composition, fight disease, become the biggest, baddest bodybuilder out there, or some other goal in between of that, there is no added benefit. Note this, there's no added benefit to consuming too much or more protein than your body can actually handle, which is a little bit more than 1.2 grams per kilogram of body weight. So in general, the protein recommendation on a daily intake is between 0.8 and 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. So are animal or plant protein sources better for you? This is another really big question. Well, it's pretty broad to ask that. Typically speaking, we'll answer that. Animal and plant proteins both have essential nutrients in them to support your body's need and use of protein to perform the essential functions of protein that we just talked about. As long as you're eating a complete plant protein, meaning it has all the essential amino acids that make it a complete protein, right? So think about soy, edamame, tempeh, things like that, you'll be good to go. That can also help with your muscle building ability, whereas like incomplete proteins are good for other things, but not muscle. We do, however, recommend always incorporating both plant and protein sources of muscle as they individually contain nutrients like fiber, fats, vitamins, minerals, phytochemicals, antioxidant properties, and more. So little combination of both. And we also do recommend the least processed version of protein that you can get, the better. We do have whey protein isolate as well as plant protein powders available here at Wolverine. So as our takeaway, protein is a very multifaceted nutrient. It's undeniably crucial for our overall health and well-being. From muscle growth and repair to immune system support and hormone regulation, the essential macronutrient plays a vital role in maintaining a balanced and thriving body. So if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you're looking for more free resources on supplements, training, workouts, nutrition, health, any of that and more, visit the Wolverine blog at www.swolverine.com for over 800 pieces of original content. And until next time.